Well, I had the video recording and something happened to it. So that kind of sucks. Anyway, took a long down here at 79, and I've been just slowly piecing onesies off, just onesies, um, looking forward to see if we can get an extension a little bit higher. It keeps having trouble with this 61%, 89. That's a double tap. So the reason being was off the bottom is a fib extension that after we broke down these bottoms, that it looked like that's where it wanted to go. We finally got nice separation out of the bottom to be able to get a significant snapback, especially being option expiration day. You just had to be patient for the move. Came down, up, only took that out by a couple ticks, up, made a pull, triggers held, and then off the races. Now we just got us a little bit of a pullback, of course, into the 50. Boom. Now that we've got that, I'm really looking for an extension up, this push to keep going, especially since the 4181 had that nice bulge. I've been waiting on it all day. I thought that it was going to come down here and kick up, but it did slide down farther. We got nice separation. We're finally getting this thing kicked in. Same thing with the 1591, got really separated from the bands, coming into a major Fibonacci extension number. We're down, what was it, 40 points at the time. I mean, come on, that was enough. So I took the shot, had a 1 point stop, set it down to 78. It held, and here we go. So that's sucks. You didn't. I'll have to check. I can't figure out what happened to the video. I don't know if I can't find it on my computer. I've had some computer issues here last couple weeks, so we'll see. All right, holding on to these four. Gonna come up and lock some more in, and then I'll be back here shortly. Hopefully the computer doesn't stop on me again. Alright guys, gonna take half off here. I don't like where it's coming back and coming up and failing to get back up quickly, so lock in a couple more points, and we'll be back here in a little while. Alright guys, getting into the I'm going to front run it just a little bit. Up 12, 13 points. 13 points, boom, taken. What a move off the bottom, guys. Perfect, nice up, retracement, right into the zone. It can't get any better than that. Alright, locked it in. Alright, and what I guess what I can do here is is walk through the trade. You saw all the shorter time frames back here. The reason I got this number was the 100% extension from yesterday's move to this 2 days ago high, yesterday's low, back to yesterday's high to give you the extension. Here's a 610 chart. Steadily building the divergence. We finally completed the divergence down into that fib number mid-Keltner test, came back down to the zero line, made a bull flag, higher triggers, held, and we're off to the races. There's the 610 chart. $9.87. Had a downtrend line that finally got broke, came back, retest, failure, another divergence into second daily support, and also into that 100% Fibonacci extension. $15.97. Get some of this out of the way. Same thing. Building divergence all day. Separation out. Finally fell out to create the separation we needed into the Fibonacci number we were looking for. Star candle, immediate up into the triggers, regained it, came back, tested the higher and the lower triggers, and we're off to the races, testing the mid band now on the 15.97. $25.84. Same thing, divergence, boom, star candle, retook the triggers, came back to test the lower triggers. Now we're testing the top part of the larger triggers, but created separation on the bottom as well. $41.81. Divergence, came down, retaking the small triggers, test, held the bottom of the band. Now we're testing the higher triggers here. $67.65. We're going to lock in 14 points. Divergence, separation from the bands, coming right into the 100% extension, regaining the small triggers. Now the triggers are coming underneath. Now they're testing. We just got stopped out. Testing the higher, the longer triggers now. And that's it. Anybody's got any questions of the setup, or what? If you didn't see what I was just told, let me know, and I'll see if I can explain it a little bit better. This is textbook coming in. It tested, retest out, riding the band up, came down, made a perfect 50% retracement. It held back above the triggers. The small triggers turned up at the 50 to give you confirmation. Up. There's your another pullback. Held the 50, and then you start pulling your extensions, and that's where we ended up. All right, well, everybody have a great weekend. Everybody be safe. And I will talk to you